because these people have been championed by the minority, by the elites, and by the West. I personally believe, having seen the functioning of government and having served as a government, as an honorary advisor to the government, that it is one thing to be appointed, to be handpicked and appointed to a position. It's a whole other thing to govern, and without political experience, without governance experience, it is very, very difficult to run a country. So I'm actually curious to see how they perform, whether they are even capable of running the country. However, the point is that our Supreme Court has ruled, and our Constitution says that a non-elected government cannot run a country, even for 1 minute. Right now, this is an unconstitutional government. They are not elected. So there is no democracy in Bangladesh. So they are talking about democracy, but there is no democracy. So what do you have to do if you want to have democracy? You have to have elections. And our Constitution is very clear on this provision that from the day Parliament is dissolved, new elections have to be held within 90 days. There is no way around it. There is no such thing as an interim government in the Constitution which can stay in power beyond 90 days. That does not exist. So I believe that this government's priority should be to hold elections as soon as possible. That I cannot answer. That you will have to ask her. It's, my family, none of us had ever had sort of a greed for power or politics. Other than my mother, the rest of my family has been settled abroad. I myself have been settled in the US for almost 30 years. But we want to work for our country. We cannot sit and watch this happen to our country. So to restore democracy, to restore law and order, to keep the people of our country safe, whatever is required, we will all do.